Service should be performed by authorized service technicians only. Please review all of the product's literature, including all safety warnings and any associated job aids before performing service on the appliance.
Tools needed: an 8-inch long Torx T20 screwdriver and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Remove the door lock screws. Remove the 2 screws located above and below the door lock to the left of the door opening using a Torx T20 screwdriver. To remove the door lock mechanism, use a Torx T20 screwdriver push up and pull the locking mechanism toward you. Remove the 2 screws on the door hinge. And slightly lift up the door to release it from the dryer. And gently lay the front side down on a soft surface. Unscrew the bottom screw to release the chrome trim ring. Flip over the door so the door glass is on the bottom. Fold the hinge down. While holding the door, gently turn the chrome ring clockwise and remove. Flip over the door so the glass again faces up. Remove the 2 side screws on each side of the door. Remove 4 inner screws on each side of the door. Remove side parts on each side of the door. Reverse the side parts and insert them again. Refasten the 2 screws on each side of the door. Refasten the 4 inner screws on each side of the door. Flip over the door so the door glass is on the bottom. Replace the chrome ring. Flip over the door again so the glass faces up. Securely fasten the chrome ring with the screw. Install the door lock on the right side of the door opening. Fasten the 2 screws located above and below the door lock to the right of the door opening. Fasten the door to the left side of the door using the 2 screws. After you've installed the door, make sure that you close and open the door to ensure that it opens and closes properly.